Okie dokie, folks. Here we are once again. We have the Barnes Vor-Tx. Right there, 45 Colt. Not firing through the Cimarron, but we are firing through the Rossi survival rifle. We're going to do deep penetration. Got a stack of 2x4s. Normally it's 2x6s, but I got a stack of 2x4s, so we're going to do that. We're going to shoot those and see how far we drill into the 2x4s. So stay tuned and see how it goes down. All right. We'll go check that one out. Check that one out. Check that one out. Bohemian Hunting Club. Check that one out. Bohemian Hunting Club. Yeah, I know. Trust me, I know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We have our handgun size deep penetration. Actually takes more skill. We do not have a complete pass through, but we do have a squared up shot. So we'll take this back to the bench and break it down like a shotgun. All right, here we go. Deep penetration, 45 Colt Barnes Vor-Tx at roughly about 40 yards. Just drilling in to the 2x4s, and we don't have a complete pass through, obviously. Let us see what we got going on. First board. There we go. In and out. First board. Nice solid hole going out. Second board. Here we go. Wow. Wow, that is impressive. In and out the second board. So, I'm already going to tell you right now, this has exceeded my expectations. I thought it was going to get stuck in the second board. We are into the third board. Let us see. Holy moly. 45 Colt. 40 yards through the Rossi survival rifle. We are through the third board into the fourth board. Here we go. There we are. We are in to the fifth. No, shit. Anyway, here we go. We are stuck in the fourth. That's impressive. 1, 2, 3 into the fourth. Nice. Let me see if I can get this cut and get this bullet out of here. All right, here we go. We're back. Got the bullet. Basically, it filled up the hollow point and turned into basically a full metal jacket. This is what you're going to get at. Not letting it blow up or pinch down on it. That's what ended up happening. Got a little bit of deformity there. Not too bad. It was roughly a little over halfway into the fourth board. So for a 45 Colt bullet, that is outstanding, with three complete pass-throughs, no tumbling, 3 complete pass-throughs, and over halfway into the fourth board. So there you go. Lots of penetration out the Rossi survival rifle. Thanks for watching.